afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Angela Marbella, the reporter Comparative Anatomy. What is anatomy? Anatomy is a study of physical structure and part of organism. Example of anatomy include the body parts which as muscle, heart, brain, bladder, and kidney. Comparative anatomy studies mass similarities in anatomical structure in different species. It is support evolution of providing evidence that support of dismisses the relatedness of the two organisms. Organisms that are improved, inventive, related are the ones that have the evolved from the common ancestor. Ang comparative anatomy ay ang pag-aaral ng pagkakatulad at pagkakaiba ng structure na may organism. Ito ay isang mahalagang sangay ng biology na tumutukoy sa atin na maunawaan ang evolution ng mga organismo at ang kanilang mga relasyon sa isa't isa. Evidences of evolution comparative anatomy by comparing the anatomy of different animals which most can be learned about the evolution. Homologous is the prologue of the human, whale, cat, bat, bird, alligator, or used for vastly different movement. They all have remarkably similar structure and organization, bone, nerves, blood vessel. Ang homologous po ay ang struktura na ito ay pagkakatulad ng iba't ibang species dahil nagmula ito sa isang karaniwang ninuno, halimbawa ng floor lab ng mga tao, ibon, balyena at paniki ay lahat ng pare-parehong pangunahing mga buton kahit na ang mga ito ay ginagamit para sa iba't ibang function. Again, homologous organs have a common embryonic organs and similar anatomy, morphology, and genetic. However, they have evolved to form the different fractions in the different organs. Example, bones in the whale, front of liver, and homologous to bones in a human arms. Sample of homologous structure: human, horse, whale, turtle, and bird. Ito po ay lahat na magkakaparehong pangunahing mga buto kahit na ito ay ginagamit sa iba't ibang function. The second one is analogous structure. Analogous structure are the feature of the different species that similar in the function but not necessary in the structure which do not serve the form common and constant function. Compare the homologous structure and which are involved in the response to a similar environmental challenge. Example of analogous. Analogous arranged from wings and flying animals like bat, bird, insect, and pins and animal like winguns and fish, penguins and fish, plants and other organisms can also demonstrate analogous structure, such as sweet tomatoes and tomatoes will have the same function of the food storage. Analogous organs have similar function but different structure. They are found different animal species and are the result of convergent evolution. Analogous structure, ito po ang pagkakatulad ng iba't ibang species dahil sa nag-evolve sila sa pagkakatulad ng mga kapaligiran, ngunit hindi sila nagmula sa isang karaniwang ninuno. Dahil halimbawa, ng mga pakpak ng ibon, insekto at parehong ginagamit para sa paglipad. Ngunit ang mga ito ay nag-evolve ng hiwalay. Example of analogies: the wings of a bird and the wings of the butterfly are organism analogous because of they both perform the same function, flight, but they have different function. Here the example of analogies: the bird, butterfly, and bat. Analogous structure have similar function but the different evolutionary organs. The wings of bird, bat, and insect are analogous structure. There are animals have dissimilar evolutionary organs. Their wings differ anatomically but have a similar function, which is a flight. Nandito na lang po ang ating report sa comparative anatomy. Salamat po.